Hoje à noite a gente tem uma festa dos anos 50.
It's really funny. Everybody's stuff. It's really funny.
E todo mundo está se preparando.
Where'd you get those?
Oi!
They're great. Cody looks like.
Todo mundo se vestiu ao estilo dos anos 50, inclusive eu. A gente vai ter uma banda e tudo mais. E aí preparando as bebidas.
What are you saying?
I'm saying that we're gonna have a party tonight.
Oh, okay.
A 50 party.
Yeah, we are.
Hey, Sandy! Look at it. Presta atenção. Look.
That's the 50s for ya.
All right.
Look at Jason.
Dave! Whoa! Mary!
Okay, we gotta be obnoxious and belch! We gotta belch! Oh!
Mary's Chris our director.
Hey, Brady! Yo, bro, what's up? Welcome to the Vikings shit. Where you go? Wait, I'm the nerd! What's the nerd?
Bom, depois da festa, todo mundo veio jogar boliche. Todo mundo deixou a escola, veio para a cidade de Justice jogar boliche.
Who are you following?
Yeah!
Hi! I don't know you, but
Are you going to Brazil with me?
Brazil? No.
Yes, you are.
What are you doing?
Yes, you are. Say your name. Tell me your name. Quem vai tentar uma grande tentativa. Tentar derrubar todos os times na bola no jogo de boliche.
What?
Oh, yeah.
What?
It's your turn.
Really?
Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Hi, Randy. Oh. Hey, Professor Cristiano. Professor Frank Cirone.
Yeah, I think so. That works.
Over there. What?
Go get it.
Oh, now here we have with their lovely new glasses on. Joanna, what are you doing there? Oh, see we get a close-up on those glasses. Oh, my. Back away now. All right, hang on. Marcos is summoning me. Oh, what's up, Marcos? You know anything?
I'm very into this game.
Shannon is keeping score. How we... So here we have our pool players. There's Brandy, and then we have Mickey, and Mickey's friend Jesse, and Steiner. Steiner, say hello, Steiner. Oh!
Do you know who win this game?
No, who's winning?
Me and Mary.
Oh, really? Where's Mary? There's Mary. Hi, Mary. Woo! All right.
I'm done. I'm gonna go.
Oh, you guys are already done?
Carl!
Oh! Nice
shot.
shot. All right, can't you do a good break? Oh, nice break. Nice break. Good job, Randy.
Hola, Marcos. Espero que has pasado un tiempo muy bien aquí en Estados Unidos.
All right. How about you?